Yeehaw! Here we have a 1937 Corona Standard. This particular machine types 10 characters per inch. Lovely pica. It's in pretty darn good shape, too. When it came to me, it needed a little bit of work, but I worked on it more than a little, actually. Worked on it quite a bit. The paint finish really was the easiest part, and it was pretty oxidized when I got it. Mostly in great shape. There's a little bit of scratching right here on the lid from probably either a return lever or from somebody's ring being overzealous. There's a little scratch right in here. Where is it? I'm trying to get the camera to pick it up, but really not much other than that. It's very clean. It is now. It was pretty fuzzy. Got a little bit of surface rust, one little pitting spot there, but not too horrible by any means. Keys are in great shape. The key tops are very nice. I haven't polished them up. Don't know if I'm going to. They've got a really nice patina to them, and there's not a whole lot of shine that I think you'd be able to retrieve that they don't already have. They have a good luster to them. Everything works. It's running pretty darn smooth right now. Got a little bit of work that I had to do to the margin system in there. Had to set the block on it, and the escapement rack. Had to do all that. The drawband was off it when I got it. This was all laid out down in there and twisted up and wrapped around stuff, and man, that took like a good 2 hours to get that untangled. It was a nightmare. That's still the original drawband in there, because it actually looked like it was in good shape, so I left it in there. You know, yet again, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. We'll give it a little type sample. Alright. Ow. Get my paper finger moved over there. I love having paper fingers instead of a paper bale. Just look at how easy that loads. I mean, it's just doink, and you're done. And it lines up nicely. I didn't put it in there straight, though. There we go. So, we'll go on the black setting here. Lowercase, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. I love the sound of these machines. They're very mechanical sounding. And this one's actually not too loud, believe it or not. Go for shift lock. Red setting here. And all caps. Put a little alignment test here, and shifted N and shift lock, another N. Oh. It's got really good print quality. Had to tweak a lot of the letters to get them to print straight. I still need to bring that J around just a little bit. Altogether, it's a darn fine machine, I think. there she is, 1937. Corona Standard. Very, very pretty.